So in this video we're going to use a Venn diagram to try and clarify our understanding of the different bits of information found in an electron configuration. So first of all, an electron configuration will tell us something about the energy level, or the shell, where we find electrons. And these energy levels or shells are normally labelled n equals 1 for the first energy level, n equals 2 for the second energy level, and so on up to the higher energy levels. The second bit of information we can see in an electron configuration is the sublevel where that electron is placed. So we can break down energy levels into sublevels. For that reason I'm going to put the circle inside the big circle. And the different sublevels we will see are S, P, D and F. And then the third bit of information that the electron configuration tells me is which orbital my electron is in, because each of my sublevels can be broken down into a certain number of orbitals. For example, a p sublevel has 3 different orbitals that I can represent with kind of these 3D balloons that you can see in red on my x, y and z axes and the diagram. So in this case you'll notice that each p orbital has a little number, a little letter next to it, which tells us which axis that p orbital, the figure of 8 shape, is aligned along. And more simply, if we're drawing things like orbital box diagrams, to save us from drawing complicated 3D shapes, we can represent each orbital as a box. So in the case of this p sublevel, where there are 3 p orbitals, we can represent them as 3 simple boxes. And that's pretty much it for electron configurations. Hopefully this video is of some help.